It's my turn. You always take over.
No, you cheated.
For children, even small games can turn into big battles.
Maybe he doesn't want to be my friend anymore.
In a child's world, one small fight can feel like the end of a friendship.
Conflicts are a natural part of growing up. What matters is not avoiding fights, but learning how to repair. When children are guided to say sorry and truly listen, they build stronger friendships for the future.
Sorry, Danny. Wanna play again?
Yeah, let's play.
Forgiveness may seem simple, but it teaches lessons that last forever. Children may be small, but their feelings are big. This story holds layers of meaning. Watch it again and you may discover more. If it touched you, share it with someone who might need it. Share a memory. Did you ever fight with a childhood friend and make peace afterward? What did you learn? We are here to listen, without judgment. This was one of many Child Mind stories.